Contractor practices in dealing with do-it-yourself mishaps involve several important considerations. Firstly, the legal considerations. Regulations regarding do-it-yourself work and contractor involvement differ across jurisdictions. Homeowners may be legally permitted to undertake certain tasks themselves. Contractors are typically responsible for ensuring that all work done under their permits meets code requirements. If they pull a permit for do-it-yourself work, they may assume legal liability for the previous work. Secondly, the ethical considerations. Contractors have a professional obligation to ensure the safety and quality of all work they undertake. This can be compromised if they take on projects where do-it-yourselfers have already completed some tasks. It may be difficult for contractors to assess the quality of do-it-yourself work without seeing it firsthand. This can lead to disputes or future problems if the work is found to be substandard. Thirdly, some practical approaches. 1. Due diligence. Contractors should carefully evaluate do-it-yourself projects before agreeing to take them on. They should review any permits issued to the homeowner to determine the scope of the work. They should inspect the do-it-yourself work to assess its quality and identify any potential issues. 2. Selective involvement. Contractors may consider assisting do-it-yourselfers with specific aspects of the project, such as obtaining materials or providing technical guidance, without taking full responsibility for the work. This limits their legal exposure while still providing support to the homeowner. 3. Liability limitation. If contractors do agree to clean up do-it-yourself work, they should clearly define their responsibilities in writing. They should only take on jobs where they can ensure the work meets code and safety standards. 4. Communication with homeowners. Contractors should openly discuss the risks and limitations associated with taking on do-it-yourself projects. They should explain that they may not be able to fully endorse or take responsibility for the do-it-yourself work. They should set realistic expectations for the scope and cost of their involvement. 5. Referral to other professionals. If contractors are unable or unwilling to take on do-it-yourself cleanup projects, they should refer homeowners to other qualified professionals or resources. This demonstrates a commitment to protecting the homeowner's interests and ensuring the safety and quality of the work. Dealing with do-it-yourself mishaps requires a balanced approach that considers legal, ethical, and practical factors. Contractors should carefully evaluate each situation and make informed decisions to minimize their own liability while ensuring the safety and quality of the work.